morning. It is 6:43 in the a.m. I am getting ready to do some Insta coffee here to get my day started. But I bought a jet ski to go have fun. So, it's not about me. I invite everyone else to come out and have fun with me. If you're a friend of mine and you live close, most likely you're going to be invited, and I'm going to let you tear up my jet ski because that's what jet skis are for. It's not all about me being a pompous prick, stuck in myself. I'd rather share what I have with everyone else. So that's what we're going to do. We'll ride the jet ski till it breaks, then we'll fix it, and then right back on the water again. Yeah, let's go.
It's fucking. Guess who's back?
this thing cannot handle that chop, bro.
Well, that's a pretty fucking.
Yeah, that's rough back there. She's going just bamming. Oh no, I have no reverse. I might tap you. Oh, not bad. Yeah, I was fucking thinking. Oh, reverse is nice.
I just have to figure out which way to go.
All right. Yeah, no. Yeah, that's fucking. Dude, there's no going fast. This thing was slamming so hard. I've probably taken on water at this point because it was getting into my gullies here.
Yeah.
Hell, that's gnarly over there. I think it.
Getting this shit beat out of me.
Are you?
Like, what the hell?
No, that's fine because I bring my kayaks number.
So my card's up next.
Okay.
Technically, the law is written for the ordinance. It says,
right. Yes, that's fine. And that's why I was like, dude, I've launched my kayak. I saw you coming. I was like, oh man, what did I do now? I just got it.
Just make sure you get FLs on it.
Yeah.
That's
got it. That's got it.
Yeah.
It's all registered and legal.
When you are running it, you need to have like you had your life jacket on, but it needs to be completely secured. You can't just have like those just thrown over.
Oh yeah, no. It was strapped on.
Yeah, no, I know that. Just for future, and
right.
Then you have to have your ripcord attached to you
Yep.
or somewhere.
Sure. 3 flares. I got 3 flares.
You don't need all that. The only you need on there is a fire extinguisher.
Oh, got
fire
that.
extinguisher and a whistle. It's not producing device.
Right.
So you can have an air horn, whistle. A lot of guys they'll go to Walmart, get the 25-cent whistle,
right.
attached to the jacket. That's
Yeah.
fine. Technically, it says cowbell. I'm waiting for the day that someone says I got my cowbell, but it hasn't happened yet. But, yeah, that's all you need. You don't need flares.
Okay.
The only time you're going to need flares is actually on a vessel that's going into the ocean.
Gotcha.
So like in here in the bay and stuff, you don't need it. It's offshore.
I guess it is bay, isn't it?
Yep.
Because does it ever go to open water?
Yeah, it does. I mean, you have to go through the skyway.
That's true.
So once you get on the other side of the skyway,
Uh-huh.
then that's where you need flares. But I'd have to go to the Coast Guard website. I don't think you do for a jet ski.
Okay.
I want to say it's an actual vessel, though that needs it.
Okay.
So, but yeah, you just need one fire extinguisher.
Well, no, dude, this has been super educational. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
And thank you for not taking it to me, man. I'm like, dude, I just got it. Really, the first day I'm leaving for it?
It's just easy enough for me to come tell you, hey, listen. I mean, if it becomes an issue,
Right.
then it's different.
Sure.
Yeah, you have never been that way.
It's totally kosher. This is my first boat, really, other than kayak. So
Yeah. Good.
just bought it
All
for
right,
the family to have some fun. So thank you.
Yep, no problem.
Have
You
a good one.
day.
Yeah,
Enjoy-
be
enjoy
safe,
the
bud.
weather.
Jet ski after jet ski after jet ski being unloaded out here in the water, and I'm the one that got in trouble. Look, here comes another one. Oh my gosh. And that guy took his trailer down here and did it, but no, Dan's not allowed to. That's like the 20th jet ski. How I don't understand. I just don't get it. Look at this guy. I didn't even do that. I disconnected the trailer from my truck and pushed it in the water. I'm gonna bring this up to the township. This is stupid. You can't just be particular about who you nail and who you don't. That's just dumb. Look at this BS. I got yelled at for it, and this truck is deep. He is deep with his trailer all the way in the water, but I got yelled at for it. There are 3 trucks over there getting ready to unload their jet skis, and I'm the one that disconnected my trailer from my truck and pushed it into the water and pulled it back out. I didn't even launch. This is crazy. This is ridiculous. Where is he to yell at these people? How come they're getting away with it? I don't understand. Jet ski life, hot dog life, all the life. Oh yeah, brought my little grill, cooked some birds, cooked on the birds. Oh, butter. Oh yeah, man, he's got his jet ski out there right now. We've been tearing it up out here. It's been fun. Here he comes right now. There's David. Clinton, Ashley, hey guys. How's it going, bro? And Corbin and the little one. Yeah, put those guns away, man. Gotta be careful. Careful exposing them, man. Might ask you for your concealed weapons permit, guy. Look at him, here he comes. Whap, 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 whap. Uh-oh, I don't see a GoPro on his head. That's not good. What's up, y'all? Alright, I'm with David. Brought a ski out here today. We gonna be ripping 2-stroke versus 4-stroke supercharged life. What y'all know about that? Y'all don't know nothing about that. That is a nice ski, my friend. Yeah, that's why I power it right when I see the black and then cut it off and just roll in.
Yeah, that's a big bitch.
Yeah, this thing's sick. Oh damn, you got fucking music and shit. Look at this guy.
Oh yeah.
With the tunes.
That shit's loud too.
Is it?
Yeah. Volume button's over there.
Does that take like a micro SD card?
Not that I know. It's Bluetooth right to your phone.
Really? That is gangster. Oh shit, yeah, dude, those do sound like they have some bass to them.
You know, of course, when you're sitting in the center, it's...
That's crazy, bro.
I just know you said they're out here, and I'm looking at shit, they're trying to say minimal fucking weight.
Yeah, dude, you were peeling up the center. That's why I was cutting out to tell you, like, don't do that, bro.
Right.
Yeah, you got to be on the other side of the signs to really rip. That's why I went out there and showed you where I was at. I'm like, yo, don't do that inside the wake zone, bro. They will fuck you.
I'm a little scared how shallow that is, bro.
Yeah, you can see the water keeps coming back further and further right now, so.
It's almost like there's a shallow spot out there as well, but it's like, it's between that.
Right.
So like if we went like where he's at,
Yeah.
that's safe.
This is a Sea-Doo GTR supercharged. We're gonna have a look inside the engine bay.
Not very much to look at, but...
Oh, it's a big engine though, man. That thing goes pretty far back. Wow, that's just a massive
it's a
engine.
bitch to spray my coating back there, man.
Wow, you gotta take all this off to get to the rest of it for servicing?
Yeah. But I think it's like 6 bolts or something, and this is the only one that has a nut on it. Every other one is just zap, 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 zap.
Dude, there is so much electronics and stuff going on inside here.
Oh yeah, fuel injected. I mean, look at the trunk space I have in this fucking...
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, you got all the crazy stuff, man. I don't have any of that cool shit. I have the bare minimum. Okay, now let me show you my engine bay, so you have an understanding of how much difference there is here. So what size is that? 14, 18?
I have no freaking clue.
You don't know what size the engine is?
No, I know it says 230 horsepower, that's all I know. Oh, I love how yours is one fucking beast seat though.
What's that? Oh, the whole thing? Yeah. And then that just pops up and that's literally it. That little tiny thing with a PTO drive.
Oh yeah.
There's just a simple engine, no...
Got a good tank on that bitch.
Yeah, yeah,
oh,
no,
you got a premix?
No, so I disconnected the premixer.
Okay.
So there's no, or the oil mixer, I disconnected that and I just premix
Shallower,
everything.
too.
Yeah.
So you got a flatter plane, you can run in that shallower water better than me for sure.
So yeah, I mean, that's what I said, man. This thing barely weighs, I think, just under 400 pounds. So it's a big difference.
Rooster tails?
What's that?
Hey, rooster tails? Oh.
No, there's no piss hole.
Try to lift it back up.
Yeah, oh I know, dude. That's why I was like, nope. No.
You'll see her jump out of the hole though. She fucking gets down.
Yeah. Yeah, mine's a lot, definitely older tech, but tuned right, they run great. This one obviously runs pretty good.
That bitch is doing 60, bro. That's far more than enough.
Yeah, it's screaming, man.
60 on this thing is sketchy as fuck.
Does it?
Fuck, I did 60 on a little bit here. I was trying to get faster, man, but I think there was just too much chop.
Oh yeah, fuck this big Bertha, bro.
Chop was fucking bouncing over the chop, so I get 60, 59, 60, 59. I'm like, yeah, I need smooth plane to get that 570 shit.
Yeah. Now she'll coast over it. She'll hit it and just glide over it, but you go any faster, man, you start getting whopped. So after about 50, like you said, 50, 55, that's when I start getting really beat to hell. Two-stroke life. Two-stroke life.
Hey, bro, I got this. All the way, dude. You like that? Two-stroke life, bro. Rap.
Are you sure this is okay?
You're in country, dude. Live a little. Now, she's pretty sensitive, so go easy on the throttle, okay?
All right.